Ready to defend the nation from a high-tech command center? HX5 is looking for a defense red switch network engineer in Colorado Springs. This role keeps the secure voice and data lines running smoothly for the Missile Defense Agency. Imagine working on cutting-edge telecommunications, troubleshooting complex systems, and supporting critical national security operations. Located in Colorado, this full-time gig offers between $95,000 and $115,000 annually, based on experience. If you're a tech-savvy pro with DoD clearance and a passion for defense, click a link below to apply. If you're watching this on social, head to jobpeaks.com or tap the link in our bio.